Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel SMD Gearbox. Today we will discuss about the SMD's low cost servo gearboxes. Servo gearboxes plays a very important role in a speed reduction with a better accuracy, and the planetary gearing system is the most known type in the servo gearbox. Despite the standard frame size and the reduction ratio, the price of these gearboxes varies between the different brand range. Many gearbox users compare the price related to the same frame size, but there are the various factors that determine the prices of these gearboxes. Let's check the type of the gear used in it. Spur gears, helical gears. Okay, obviously the helical gears have the higher torque capacity than the spur and are smoother also, but more expensive than the spurs. But still the SMD gearbox has bridged this price gap due to its better manufacturing capabilities. Then another factor is the service. It can be pre-sales or the post-sale, technical support and response time in the product selection. SMD experienced technocrats have a presence in a major cities in India and are well trained in a product selection by engaging with the customer design team. Another factor affecting the price differences is the cost of imports. SMD has a bi-weekly shipments from the factory, which helps in the reducing the freight cost per gearbox and maintain the stock in Pune warehouse, which reduces the customer waiting time from 4 to 5 weeks to 2 to 3 days. Now let us discuss on the technical parameters of this newly launched Planetary Gearbox Series SPE. SPE stands for SMD Planetary Economic Series. The nominal output torque range of this series is 17 Nm to 2000 Nm. The reduction ratios are available from 1:3 to 1:100, which gives an efficiency of up to 95 to 97%. The backlash of 5 to 8 arc minutes is a standard, but SMD can control the backlash up to 1 arc minute also. And the input mountings of this gearbox is suitable for any servo motor. These gearboxes are available in the frame sizes of 40, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180 and 220 as well. SMD keeps reserve stock for the regular customers and keeps open stock for new leads. To know more about SMD Gearbox, please visit our website or you can contact us on the email ID given below.